I've added a schema file now in the form of taskport.json. Also, I've added the generator to the source path and inside the templates. The reason for this is, if we go look at the build script, the generator requires a namespace in which to generate, which we need to compile in to the JS file that we create. Then, when we run it, we use Phantom.js, call that generator and pass it the schema, and that then generates the code. If we go look at the schema, you can see the top declaration is object. Entity is an important thing. It says this type of model, this type of builder. So you would get a page, builder, model, and component generated. Entity here again, story. You've got an array containing stories. You can have multiple types of entities inside an array. Array has to only contain entities. And this contains an array called tasks, which is the entity task. Very simple schema. Our schema is limited in this sense that it at the moment resembles data. So entities at the bottom don't mean dead-end spots. Sometimes we actually repeat trees, and the reason for that is because of the translation phase, because we're not using extends. We're still debating it. Anyway, so I first build. I'm just going to go to that. I first build my generator itself. It's fairly straightforward. So it compiles in a template that define that I passed in, which is the namespace on which I'm generating. You can see it is right there. That is where the code's going to get created. Yeah. Now generate. So there's going to be a soy file generated, as well as a JavaScript file. The soy file, and we lint it, which is quite important. We follow strict linting rules. Our build script should not actually consider should not lint the thing. Here we go. Here's the code that gets generated now. Very simple. I'll get back to you. Let's just look at, go to the top and then go to the templates. The soy file didn't get generated.